Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus ZenBook 14 Duo UX8402V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus ZenBook 14 Duo UX8402V only charges when you hold the cable at a specific angle, you may be experiencing a faulty charging port. This issue can arise from wear and tear over time or damage to the port itself. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, such as complete failure to charge, which could leave you without a functioning device. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and some thermal paste. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, static-free surface. Using a plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the cover is off, locate the charging port on the motherboard. This is often a small connector that may have visible signs of damage or wear. To extract it, carefully remove any screws securing it in place, typically Phillips screws. Remember to keep these screws safe, as they will be needed for reassembly. Use tweezers to disconnect any cables attached to the charging port, ensuring you do not pull on the wires directly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the faulty charging port with the new one, aligning it correctly with the motherboard. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, applying just enough force to ensure it is firmly in place without over-tightening. After that, reconnect any cables you disconnected earlier. Before sealing the back cover, it's a good idea to apply a small amount of thermal paste if needed, to ensure optimal performance. Gently place the back cover back on, pressing down until you hear the clip snap into place. Finally, power on the device and check if it charges correctly. If everything is functioning as it should, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, be cautious when connecting and disconnecting your charging cable. Avoid putting pressure on the port and consider using a cable with a right-angle connector to reduce strain. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.